Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka, pursuing third BTech in Computer Science Engineering at Prakriti Engineering College in India. I'm here today to talk to you about the role of virtual reality in architectural domain. First of all, let us have a brief review about the contents to be covered. What is a virtual reality? How is VR influencing the architecture? And the benefits of VR in architecture, VR tools for architecture like Twinmotion, ShapeSpark. What is a virtual reality? Virtual reality means feeling the imaginary virtual world rather than the real one. The imaginary world is a simulation running in a computer. Virtual reality is the term used for computer generated 3D environments that allow the user to enter and interact with alternate realities. The definition of virtual in real life means here, and reality is what we experience as a human being. Now, what is the illustration of VR for developing architecture? As you look into the picture, this scenario is becoming increasingly common as more architects incorporate VR for architecture in their practices. For example, you are walking through an elegant house, admiring the large living room, windows, paintings on the walls, etc. How is VR influencing architecture? So, the VR is influencing architecture in four ways. The VR brings the people together, tool for design, accessibility, less revoked models. Now let's have a brief review about all these models. VR brings people together, means the contractors, engineers, and designers may be able to collaborate more efficiently in virtual reality. Architects, engineers, and contractors all have their own opinions about how to build a project, which can lead to misunderstandings and mistakes. Next, the tools for design. As well as visualizing an environment, VR may be used to create a setting after the project is designed. You may find that you need to make some changes. The designer may study an alternate design choice within the software and rectify any flaws before such a project is created, which is more efficient and cost effective than remodeling a real site. So, thanks to the virtual reality technologies. And the next one is the accessibility. Small business and customers have struggled to overcome the cost of expensive software and equipment, which is really a luxury reserved for the layer corporations and the corporate customers. This technology should be available to all the customers, large or little. And the next model is less revoked models. In 3D, you create models that are designed to work seamlessly in the software. However, as buyers get more familiar with the models, the data is constantly being introduced to them. You go back and revise the model again until you have given your buyer exactly what they want. And now, let's have a brief review about the benefits of VR in architecture. Firstly, it has mainly better client experience. Getting customers to comprehend and visualize designs inside a specific area is one of the most challenging architectural challenges. Customer may also connect within the space, enter and depart rooms, and examine design decisions as if they were completed. Clients may walk inside their finished products before construction begins and quickly comprehend the designer thoughts. They notice all these designs in every detail. Next, the construction education. Virtual reality may serve as a training area for new construction employees throughout the building process. VR experiences may function as a proactive way to build exciting bites, better, efficient, simple, and most importantly, safe, by providing details regarding to the various materials necessary for each phase, collision detection, and side walkthroughs. Next, the minimal cost of implementation. Creating virtual reality experience can be done considerably faster and for a fraction of the experience of a showroom. A virtual reality experience, on the other hand, might be integrated into a basic showroom, allowing potential clients to explore a variety of structures, plans, and sites, everything into a central place. And the next benefit of VR is the value of being first into market. They claim that tremendous risk equals great profit. In terms of brand awareness, being one of the early movers in the industry provides a significant competitive advantage. Virtual reality experiences are relatively new architectural technologies that will only grow in popularity in the next months. As a result, if you are thinking about adopting virtual reality for a project, you should get started right away. And the main important benefit is the training potential. You may automate your internal training procedures by using virtual reality design tools. You may utilize the program to show your recruits what you expect from them. Furthermore, because of the interaction inherent in VR, your staff may learn as they go. You may create models that your staff can test in a virtual environment. This results in a more interesting training environment, which leads to faster learning. Now, let us have a brief review of the VR tools for architecture. Virtual reality can be achieved by using computer technology. There are many software tools which are used to transport users into a fully interactive 3D environment, giving them the opportunity to explore a virtual representation of a particular room or building design as a whole. Twinmotion and ShapeSpark are among those tools. Twinmotion. Twinmotion. What is it, Twinmotion? It is a high quality real time architectural visualization tool that lets you take you BIM, that is, building information models, to high quality images, panoramas, standard or 360-degree VR videos, and complete client presentations in seconds. It is developed by Epic Games. Now, there are many various functions of Twinmotion. Their first functionality is interface. Twinmotion's initiative simple, so just make it an extremely easy solution to learn and use. And the second functionality is environment. Twinmotions have fully control over the sky, clouds, fog particles, wind, and the improvement of their vegetation. And the third functionality is library. Twinmotion has an extensive library with realistic materials, light sources, and 3D objects. And one of the functionality is animation. In only 2 clicks, create a path on which your items will move in real time. Everything is possible like a crowded street or a hot air balloon taking off, etc. And the other functionality is virtual reality. Twinmotion allows you to switch from a 3D beam model to a fully VR experience in only few links. Another functionality is several outputs. Twinmotion is capable of producing images, panoramas, videos, and self-executable BIM motion lives. And the main functionality is phasing. A layer system coupled with the phasing tool allows you to display objects and files to visualize the project construction phases. And as we discussed earlier, the another important tool is ShapeSpark. So, ShapeSpark is used by architects, designer experts to showcase designs and produce realistic visualization for realistic marketing initiatives. ShapeSpark enables the architectural designer to develop real-time browser simulations with physically realistic lighting, perfect for client meetings and presentations. The visuals may be shared via links, and they work with the Oculus Rift VR device to provide a stereoscopic 3D perspective to users. Now, let's discuss about the features of ShapeSpark. The main features are high quality real-time rendering, realistic lighting and materials without the use of a sophisticated computer throughout the presentation. Next one is full movement freedom. The viewer is no longer restricted to a few static images but can fully move about the 3D environment. Now, the 3D meetings. Turn any 3D model into a meeting area where people can move around and communicate in 3D with only a few clicks. In the 3D world, participants can employ interactive features such as screen sharing. And the next feature is no programming knowledge is necessary. ShapeSpark, unlike gaming engines, is aimed at designers and 3D artists, and so does not require any programming expertise to produce real-time visualization. Virtual reality mode. Virtual reality is supported by all walkthrough developed in ShapeSpark. Interactive features. To allow the user to alter materials, you may add material selectors to your model. You may also include clickable components in your model to provide the user with further information. This presentation might include video textures and music. And the last feature of ShapeSpark is make use of your existing 3D model software. ShapeSpark integrates with popular modeling tools like SketchUp and Revit, so you don't have to change your design workflow. And that brings us to the end. I sincerely appreciate that I have had this opportunity to present you. Thank you very much.